Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable Swipe to Reply on Discord. So all you have to do is simply open your Discord application, then go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. Now click on the gear option at the top right-hand corner, and then simply look for an option called Chats, which should be in the app settings right over here. Click on that, and then simply scroll down, and you should find a gesture panel over here, and inside that, you will have an option called Swipe Right to Left. Click on that option, and then choose Show Channel Details, and make sure to remove it from Reply to Messages. And now if you go and try to make any type of gesture, it will give you the channel details, as you can see right over here, just like how it used to be. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to disable the Swipe to Reply feature on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.